everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this briefcase, pulley bag, computer bag. It also attaches to your suitcase. So let's look at all of the features close up. I'm going to put some things in here and show you how this rolls, but this is super duper nice. First of all, the material on this is a dream. I love this pink color. It also comes in black. You have gorgeous zippers that look beautiful. The material is water resistant. So you have this front pocket here. Moving back, you can open it up further and you have a pocket that expands. Think of like a file, kind of a folder pocket. This is like an office on wheels. Moving back to pocket number 3, you have the more traditional pocket that you're going to be able to put your pens and things in. And then you even have another pocket in here, which is pocket number 4, zipper pockets I'm counting here. On top, you have the Velcro strap that is going to hold the straps together. So again, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4 inside. Then you have pocket number 5, which is your laptop compartment. This fits a giant laptop. I have the large laptop and this fits in here. It's padded and you also have the Velcro strap. I love that. And then you have some additional pockets in here. This is where I think this is magical. This is perfect if you need to go through TSA. This pocket, this back pocket, opens the entire way. So you can open it just like this, but then you can undo the Velcro. And when you undo the Velcro, this lays flat. So you can open this and then put it through the security check and your bag is open so they can see everything. I absolutely love that. In here, you also have straps that are stretchy and there is like a hook on there. And then you have this open mesh pocket here. But I'm not finished. On the sides, you have a small pocket here and another small pocket over here. The wheels are a dream. Look at that. And then I'm gonna call this like a kickstand that you have on the front. You can also hold this here if you want. And this is really nice. You know how like you kick the bag when you are trying to get it started? So I'm gonna unzip, and this is where my handle is. So this retracts. When you go to kick this to pull the bag, that is going to protect your bag. Look how beautifully this rolls. Put that back down in and zip this in. That is really nice if you were checking this bag. And then again, you can put this on to your luggage and stack this. So let's take a look. This Coolife rolling briefcase is a dream. It is practical. It is so well thought out and so sturdy. This is going to last you for years to come. You can use this in so many different ways. You have the strap so you can put this on a pulley suitcase. You have the wheel so that you can pull it and the handle on top so that you can carry it. You have that nice little, I'm gonna call it a kickstand in the front, plus TSA friendly. If your bag needs to be searched, it just opens flat. You can see this is a huge area. You can carry a few days worth of clothing in here. This is great. You can also put this in an overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. It is so nice and small. And I just want to say it's gorgeous. I love the look. The pink color is so pretty. I love that it fits my laptop and my laptop is protected. This is so thought out and so organized that everything has its place and you are going to be able to find everything Take your office with you. Get this bag. You are not going to be sorry. I absolutely love it. It is super sturdy, beautiful, and well organized.